Hey everyone! Today I'm going to introduce you to an amazing tool that can take your marketing game to the next level, GetResponse. Whether you're looking to build your email list, run automation, or host webinars, GetResponse has got you covered. Let's dive into how this platform can help you grow your business. So, what exactly is GetResponse? In a nutshell, it's an all-in-one marketing platform designed for small to medium-sized businesses. It started as an email marketing tool, but now offers so much more, including email automation, landing pages, sales funnels, and even webinar hosting. This makes it a powerful tool for anyone wanting to grow their online presence and engage with their audience. At the heart of GetResponse is email marketing. You can create professional emails using their drag-and-drop editor and beautiful templates. Plus, with segmentation tools, you can target your audience based on their behavior, making your email campaigns more effective. GetResponse also offers advanced marketing automation. You can set up workflows that automatically send emails, offer personalized content, and nurture your leads. It's like having your marketing run on autopilot. Need a landing page? No problem. With GetResponse, you can build and publish stunning, mobile-friendly landing pages in minutes, all without any coding skills. These pages can help you capture leads, sell products, or promote events. One of the standout features of GetResponse is its webinar tool. You can host webinars directly from the platform, making it easy to engage with your audience, teach live classes, or run product demos. This feature is perfect for those looking to take their content marketing to the next level. So, if you're looking for an all-in-one solution to build your email list, automate your marketing, or even host webinars, I highly recommend trying out GetResponse. Thank you for subscribing from the link in the comment to help us to get a commission.